Okay, so today, we have a new toy. So, I got this from Hobby Lobby. And no, these are not. Okay. I'm just gonna do this, guys. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're here in the house. I'm stuttering. My camera, it's not. If you're wondering, oh my god, if you're wondering why my camera's green, it's not my camera, it's the light. Just making with it. Make sure. Hold on. Don't know. Let's go to the bunker. The Jeremy's bunker. Let's go. Okay, we're in Jeremy's bunker. So, well, today, if you're wondering, Jeremy, what are we gonna do for the video? What are you gonna do? How are you gonna open? Guys, stay calm. So, I have this. I'll be back. Close the door. Fast. So, that's Jimmy's bunker. I'm gonna test like that. We're gonna open this. And I don't want to do it. I want to do this, but I'm gonna want to. There's like something breaking. Ah, my knife. It's here. Wow. It's joking. My knife is my penny. Is this a penny? Or is this 25 cents? Got it open. Here you have it. Got it open. I'm gonna have to open the other side. I'm literally ripping it. I'm ripping the cardboard, and I don't like that. I don't like what's going on. What the heck? Okay, here we have it. Here we have it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Cool. Ah! Take this off, and then. Be back again. I'm just gonna put my box in my box collection. Oh my god, bro. I'm such a pro. Look at my box collection. Here it is. is Krillin. I think that's how you say his name from Dragon Ball. Oh my god, sorry guys, it keeps doing this. I'm trying to check this out. Guys, don't make fun of me, please. I know I'm weak. Oh, that's nice. It looks a little bit wiggly. Okay. Oh, that's popping. Oh, I like his little, how his movement is. You can bend his leg. That's nice. You can go like this, do everything. You can boom his fighting stance. His fighting stance. Look at his fighting stance. It's funny. Okay, now it's time for the hands. I can't even open it. My fingers are hurting. Gosh, this hurts so much. Oh my God, thank God. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for giving me your strength. So we have to do hands. We can do the Kamehameha. I have no idea why I said it like that. So weird. It is. I'm doing the Naruto. Okay. Guys, I want to show you something that's gonna be coming up in a real video. Kind of a long video. It'll be pretty cool. So I kind of want to show you guys. So I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers because, and when I get into 100 subscribers, I have a bunch of my action figures in here. All of my action figures are in here. You can't really see them because that's on the side. And it's gonna knock go over my blanket out. And this is my accessories. This one I can show you because it's small. If you're wondering, I'm making a movie with these toys. Guys, make sure to go check out Valkyrie Jammer's Place and KY's World. So I'm gonna make like a little video of like a movie that it's Robin's team versus Wolverine. So oh, my dog just came in. This is my doggy. Okay, so we're gonna make a movie. So yeah, have a nice Christmas and God bless you, everybody, and make sure to go subscribe to those people that I just said, and goodbye. Jeremy out.